How to clear memory on Android phone without deleting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Help and Feedback at the bottom. After that, you'll find Search Help option, click on it. Now search Delete and click on Delete Apps on your Android device. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Tab to go to Application Settings. After you click on it, you'll find all your apps in here. Select the app that you don't use anymore and you don't want to delete. After you click on the app, click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. In here, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage if you want to log in to your account again. If not, just clear the cache. You can do same thing with different apps. After you're done doing that, you can simply open TikTok, go to the profile at the bottom right and click on three lines at the top right. In here, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Free Up Space. After you click on Free Up Space, click on Clear Cache. After that, click on Clear and you're good to go, as TikTok takes too much memory of your device, so it is necessary. You can do same thing with WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Storage and Data. In Storage and Data, click on Manage Storage at the top. Then select the chats at the bottom. And then you'll find Select All option at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Select All. Press on Trash Can Like option at the top and press on Delete. After that, you're good to go. This is how to clear memory on Android phone without deleting them. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.